Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Janelle, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install. Right now I'm spraying the lace with some lace tint, and I already bleached the knots. If you want to see how I did that, check out my video from last week. It will be linked in the description below. So to cut the ear tabs, I wanted to try this method where you basically draw where the ears are over the lace and then cut it. But I feel like because I didn't part the hair out first where I drew the line at, it caused me to cut some of the hair, but I was able to cover it up, so it still worked out. But I would say part the hair where the line is and then cut it. So now I'm just using a makeup wipe to make sure that all the oils and stuff is gone off her skin before I apply the glue. So I'm just gonna apply like little dots to like one side of her head at a time because I feel like it dries faster. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this side first and then I'm gonna do the other side, and yeah. So after I left the band on for some time, I sprayed some lace bond around her hairline just to make it melt some more and last a little bit longer. And then I'm gonna put the band back on and style the hair. So now I'm just going to take my wax stick and my hot comb and just make sure that it lays real flat. Now I'm going to take some concealer and just define her part a little bit more. And I'm going to comb it to blend it out. Alright, y'all, so this is what the final product is looking like. Actually, I really liked how it looked. She really liked how it looked. But honestly, I feel like I could have did a bit better. But this has to be like maybe my 4th install on a client. So, you know, there's always room for like growing and learning and stuff. So, yeah, it was a learning experience. And I actually really liked how it turned out though. Let me know what you think though. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.